जो मैं आपके लिए कपड़ा जो बनाया और जो आपने पहना है वो पसंद आया? Hey guys, my name is Anju and you're watching DIY Arunachal. Also I have Marshall here, he's my nephew. So in this episode I will be making outfit for baby and as well for mom. Also if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let's start this video.
Make a diagonal cut, and this is how I'm going to make my top part of the dress. Now taking the half measurement of the total size of the bust, cut out the extra fabric. Also do the same for the back side of the top, including seam allowance. Now we have two pieces of tops, and one will be the lining fabric and the other will be the main fabric. Facing right side to right side of both the fabric, you're going to pin them and stitch them down. Also, I'm adding elastic to the top, and this is how I made my straps. Let me show you guys some auntie and nephew's moment.
जो मैं आपके लिए कपड़ा जो बनाया और जो आपने पहना है वो पसंद आया? सच में पसंद आया? आपको और कपड़ा चाहिए जुम्मी की तरफ से? हाँ.
So moving on to the project, this is the lining fabric and this is how I made my skirt. So finally, attach the skirt to the top and we are done with the dress. So now it's time for the Martul's shirt. As usual, I'm going to take his shirt and trace out all the pieces. Also, don't forget to trace this back piece, which is folded a little bit to the front side. Trace out all the pieces and you will have one back piece, two front piece, two sleeves, one collar piece, two button piece. This is how you are going to stitch the collar part. Once the collar part is over, it's time to attach all the pieces together. Also hem the raw ends and we are done here. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!